Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. So guys, Mia took the crown home yesterday. So guys, as we know that we have been experiencing a lot of things about the Chidima saga, but eventually guys, Mia was crowned Miss SA 2014 and social media went on a blaze and some people commented very nicely towards Mia's achievements. Some said, never mind the marginalized community Mia is representing. The girl fought really hard for the crown. Her answers were phenomenal. Constantly, and she dropped dead gorgeously. Congratulations and all the best, Queen. The other one went on to say Mia is representing the disabled community too beautiful. Indeed, nothing is impossible. Mia Le rocks the first hearing impact Miss SA crowned on Saturday night aims to inspire and breaks barriers. Diagnosed with profound hearing disability at an early age, Le Rox uses her platform to advocate inclusive, especially in the rural areas. So guys, with all that, people went on to saying on social media about Nompumelelo Madonna that she was robbed from the home Miss SA, believing Oguti she was the one who was supposed to be crowned for Miss SA. But nonetheless, guys, Nompumelelo was crowned for making it to top two. Congratulations to her for the hard work that she placed in this. Along with Miss SA, they really did a great job at striving to become on the top. And hope this is just a beginning to great more things to happen to them. So guys, please share your thoughts down the comment section and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys, to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll be sure to keeping you updated.